Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that causes a lot of confusion for short-term rental property managers: how to handle cleaning income and expenses. Whether you're managing a few properties or dozens, understanding this piece can really help simplify your bookkeeping process and your owner statements. So let's start with the basics. What exactly are we talking about when I say cleaning income and cleaning expense? When a guest books a stay, they usually pay a cleaning fee. That cleaning fee revenue can either be kept by your management company as income, or it can be passed along to the property owner together with the booking revenue. On the flip side, cleaning expense refers to what you pay your housekeepers to clean the property after each stay. Typically, the treatment of the expense will follow the revenue. So if your management company keeps the cleaning fee revenue, then you also take on the cleaning expense. If you pass that cleaning fee to the owner, then the expense shows up on their statement as well. Now at Keystone, we recommend you keep that cleaning income and expense off your owner statements and on your P&L. In most cases, this is the simplest and cleanest way to handle it. It keeps the financials clear, reduces confusion, and just makes life easier for everyone. And ideally, as the manager, you're earning a small margin here, meaning the cleaning fee that you collect from the guest is slightly more than what you're paying your housekeepers. This helps cover your time and effort managing the cleaners. As you review your P&L, you should be looking at that on a monthly basis, cleaning income versus cleaning expense, to make sure you're maintaining that margin. So why do we suggest this approach? First, most property managers don't actually charge a commission on cleaning fees, so there's no need to involve the owner in that part of the accounting. Second, your owner statements will be cleaner and easier to read without a long list of cleaning transactions cluttering things up. When it comes to owner statements, less is usually more. Third, cleaning fees generally don't move the needle much when it comes to owner payouts after accounting for the cleaning expenses. You're adding a lot of complexity for very little impact. Another reason, as you grow, you might decide to bring cleaning in-house. When that happens, it's harder to keep reporting consistent on owner statements, especially if you don't have a standard price per clean. On top of that, timing can also be an issue. You might receive the cleaning fee when the guest checks in, but not pay the cleaner until the following month. This creates mismatches in revenue and expense timing and splits the revenue expense across two statement periods, which typically invites questions from homeowners. And finally, tracking and allocating each cleaning expense by property just adds more bookkeeping work than it's usually worth. That said, there are situations where you might include cleaning income and expenses on your owner statements. The main one being if you charge a commission on those cleaning fees. In that case, by all means, put that revenue on the owner statements. In this case, you have two main ways to handle those cleaning expenses. One, you can include the actual cleaning cost for each job. That's accurate, but it does mean more work, and as discussed earlier, it can create those timing discrepancies. The second option is to use a standard set amount per clean. Example, for your ski chalet, you charge the owner $450 per stay as a cleaning expense, regardless of what you pay your cleaner. This keeps things simpler and more predictable for you and the owner, but the downside is you might not always match what you're actually paying your cleaners. And if you're not keeping a close eye on it, you could end up paying out more than you're collecting. So to wrap up, our recommendation is to keep cleaning income and expense off the owner statements unless you're charging a commission on cleaning fees. Simplicity and scalability should be your goal. If you need help keeping your books clean and your reporting easy to manage, reach out to us at Keystone Bookkeepers. We're here to help you focus on growing your business while we handle the numbers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.